Do you like our outfits? Do you like our glasses? Hi, welcome to Baking with Bunny. Today we're making flan.
Yes, and we're going to make it in the crock-pot.
Yeah.
Which makes it easier for us.
For us.
And it'll taste yummy.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go, girl.
First thing we do is pour condensed milk. I don't need help. Wait.
And then almost 2 cups of milk, so why don't you pour the milk in,
It's
sweetie?
almost like yogurt, right?
It's kind of like yogurt. All right, you got the milk, and then...
I don't know what this is going to taste like.
It's going to taste good.
3 eggs. I want to mix. I want to mix.
Well, it mixes it for us.
Okay.
You don't have to do anything. It's super easy.
Well, I'm going to do this so it doesn't get out. Now we pour in caramel. Now that you pour in caramel, and now you mix it on the side. Now you pour this into this. Put a little water in there, and then you can put the dishes in there. Now cook it on high for 2 hours. Now we're eating it. This one's so good. Pretty good. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my website, VeganWithBunny.com. Bye.